Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. Let's clean up a sink. So I like to use as much eco-friendly as I can. And the Thieves Kitchen and Bath Powder is amazing. You don't need to wear gloves. It's non-toxic. There's no harsh fumes. It smells nice and pleasant. And it gets rid of dirt and grime. And it's amazing. And you know I love my great microfiber cloths. Rinse it out with water. Wait till you see like the disgusting water that rinses through just from cleaning the sink. It gets nice and crunchified clean. So let me know if you need any. You can get 15% off your first order of my favorite cloths and dusters and mops with my link and my coupon code. So check out my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, or Ask Me How. And you can also get my favorite EPA-registered, eco-friendly, Force of Nature disinfectant. So after I clean, I spray it with my eco-friendly disinfectant. No harsh fumes, no toxic fumes. Wait the recommended dwell time, and then disinfect and have a beautiful crunchified clean bathroom.